Hello students. Chapter number 8, Birds. I'm Forum Goswami, your science teacher, and today's topic is feet of birds. Feet of birds. All birds have 2 feet. Remember this. With 4 toes on each. Feet help birds to walk and hop on land. They also help birds to catch and hold their food. So, the first type of feet is perching feet. The perching feet, birds such as parrots and pigeons, use their feet to hold onto branches of trees. This is called perching. To hold the branches of trees, it's called perching. You can see very fine examples in this slide as well. The parrot's feet, crow's feet, pigeon's feet, and sparrow feet. Perching feet prevent the bird from falling down from the trees. Next is talons. So the talons are flesh-eating birds such as hawks, eagles and owls have very sharp claw called talons. These talons help the flesh-eating birds to pick up and hold small animals very tightly. Are you able to see? It's very sharp talons. Next is climbing feet. Climbing up, right? Birds such as woodpecker and hoopoes have 2 toes, only 2 toes directed upwards and 2 downwards. This helps them to hold on to the trees while climbing. Okay, so woodpecker need to climb a tree to make a hole into it. So they have the feet like this way, where the 2 toes are upward direction and rest of our 2 are in downward direction. Climbing feet. Now this scratching feet. Next is scratching feet such as hens and peacock have feet with the sharp claws to scratch the mud and dig out the small insects inside the mud. The next feet is webbed feet. Webbed feet are joined together the front skin. Water birds such as ducks and geese have webbed feet that act like paddles and help these birds in swimming. Okay? You can see very fine picture of duck's feet and goose feet. It will help them to swim. Next is wedding feet. So the wedding feet, the birds who have the wedding feet are cranes and herons have thin, very thin and long legs that help them to wade through water. What is the meaning of wade through water? To walk through the water. Okay, they are able to walk in the muddy water also. Okay, with the help of wading feet. Okay students, the feet of birds is done. Now in next we will learn about the homes of bird. The nest. The home of bird is called the nest. You know very well. Now you can see very fine picture of different kind of birds and they are making different kind of nest as per their requirement and their ability as well. So see very fine pictures of different types of birds. You can see the nest of a tailorbird. Tailorbird making its nest with the help of its beak. Its beak is work like a needle to stitch leaves and grasses all together to make a very fine nest. See, the birds are making nest. Beautiful nest birds have made for themselves. Some of the birds are making nest inside the land also. So a little burrow, little kind of a burrow is they used as their nest. Penguins nest. Penguins are living nearby the water area and snowland. So they are not able to find the twigs and grasses and all other plants things. But they are using stones to make their nest. Especially the time of nestling, means where they want to give eggs. Nest of a weaver bird. Weaver bird use their beaks to weave pieces of leaves, twigs, straws and grasses to make their nest like this way. So students, this way we have learned about the feet of birds and the nest of the birds. We should not harm the eggs which are kept inside the nest. Be careful. We should not damage the nest of the bird. Thank you so much. Take care.